नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम आई एक्सरसाइज करना सीखेंगे। आई एक्सरसाइज के दौरान आपको अपनी नेक, आपके शोल्डर्स, आपकी फेशियल मसल्स, आपके आईलिड्स और आपकी आंखें पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स रखनी है। तभी आपको इन आई एक्सरसाइज का फायदा पूरी तरह से मिल पाएगा। तो चलें मिलकर करें आई एक्सरसाइज।
Fill your mouth with water, then splash normal drinking water onto your eyes 10 times. This will stimulate the blood supply in your eyes. Sun gazing. Face towards rising or setting sun. The eyes should be closed. Absorb the rays of the sun. This will rejuvenate your eyes. Palming. Rub the palms vigorously to create some heat. Make a cup of your palms and gently place it over the eyelids without any undue pressure. For 1 minute, repeat the same with Bhramari Pranayam for 1 minute. This exercise relax your eyes. Blinking. Quickly blink the eyes 10 times. Then relax for 3 breaths. You can close your eyes also. Do it 5 times. Now we will massage our eyes. Massage your eyes with your ring fingers 3 to 5 times. Do not press your eyes too hard. Then with a gentle pressure, press the points between your eyes and bridge of your nose. And do palming again. Now raise your arms by your sides, make a fist with thumbs pointing upward. Adjust your thumb if they are not clearly visible without moving your head. Focus your eyes on left thumb, then nose tip, then right thumb, nose tip. Do it 5 times. This exercise relaxes the tension of the muscles strained by continuous reading and your computer work. Hold each position for 3 counts. At last, do palming again. Front and sideways. Place left fist on left knee and hold right thumb to the right of the body without moving your head. Focus the eyes of left thumb tip, then to the right thumb. Do it 5 times. Again do palming. Up and down movement. Make a fist again, place it on a knee. Slowly raise your left thumb. Keep focusing on tip of your thumb without moving your head. Now again do with your right hand. Keep focusing on your thumb tip. Hold here for 3 breaths, then down. Do not move your head. Again, do palming. Now clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Rotate your right thumb in clockwise direction. Keep focus on your thumb tip. Your head should not move. Now raise your left thumb. Shift your focus on your left thumb. Now rotate clockwise. Now do it again with your left hand. Do it 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Do not strain. Do palming again. Nose tip gazing. Bend your arms. Touch your thumb to the nose tip. Focus on tip of your thumb. Then slowly straighten the arms. Keep focusing on your tip of your thumb. Wait for few counts. Repeat it 5 times. Hold this position for 3 counts. Do not strain your eyes. Keep blinking. This is a very good exercise for your eyes. Again, do palming. Near and far view. Focus the eyes on nose tip for 3 seconds. Then focus on far object for 3 seconds. Repeat it 5 times. You can sit on your window and you can see far object in a horizon like a trees, mountains, leaves, etc. Again, do palming. Now we will do shoulder movements. Inhale, up and exhale down and anti-clockwise. Now we will do some neck movement. Up and down, touch your chin to your chest. Inhale up. Shoulder and neck movement. Relax your eyes also. If your shoulder and neck is relaxed, you feel relaxed in your eyes also. If you feel any strain on your head, on your eyes, so you can do shoulder and neck movement. Side to side. Inhale center and exhale. Down. Left ear to left shoulder, right ear to right shoulder. Inhale up and exhale down. Now we will do Balasana. Touch your forehead to the ground. Relax here for some time. Whenever you feel any stress in your eyes, you can sit in Balasana for 3 minutes. Balasana has a calming and cooling effect. Your eyes will feel very relaxed. If you are not able to touch your forehead to the ground, you can sit like this. Now take a wet cotton cloth. Keep this cloth on your eyes. Place your right hand on your navel, left hand on your chest. We will do abdominal breathing. As you inhale, feel the abdomen is expanding. As you exhale, abdomen is contracting. Keep the inhalation and exhalation count equal. It will relax the entire body. After eye exercises, you should do this practice. This is a Shavasana. Slowly come up.
तो दोस्तों, हमने सीखा कि आई एक्सरसाइजेस कैसे की जाती हैं। नेक्स्ट थर्सडे मैं आपके लिए लेकर आ रही हूँ चेयर योगा। तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए। धन्यवाद।